Hey guys, this is another garden video, just giving you guys an update. This has become a little forest in here. Again, I have sweet potato, Irish potato, watermelon, pumpkin, sorrel, okra, tomato, onions, peppers. Over here, I planted some okra seeds. I didn't know they was gonna come, but plant look healthy. There's two of them. The sorrel over here is they're just looking beautiful. Chickens are doing great. Getting some nice head of corn on this one and on this one. I didn't go crazy with the corn this year. Over here, peppers are coming in. This is habanero peppers. Down here, these are ghost peppers. And down here I have more habanero peppers. Scotch bonnet, they're just taking their time coming up. These are Italian hots. Sweet pepper, more sweet pepper. These just taking their time coming up. The pumpkin, I guide the pumpkin where I want it to go. I guide it up here. Now I'm gonna guide it back. Tomatoes, I've been just, yeah, I've been picking tomatoes like crazy. It's tomatoes all over. Look how tall the tomato trees are. They're taller than me. These right here, there's a cluster right here. I gotta tie it up against the fence. Gotta tie these up against the fence so I can see under them whenever the tomatoes are ready. The Julie mango tree is coming along, has a few little mangoes on them. Over there, the gungo tree, passion fruit, that's the purple passion fruit. In here I also plant some Carolina Reaper and some ghost peppers. This is what ghost peppers look like. You know, I got my herbs, my basil, my oregano, my rosemary, my thyme. Okay, look at this. Look at this, guys. Look what the deers did. Everything I use, it don't work. So what I did was, I got some dishwashing detergent and the neem oil, and I sprayed it. So I haven't seen them come back since I did that. Okay, this is a fuzzy cucumber tree. Right here is the buck chow, pop chow. I let them seed up, so I root them up and drop it here so the seed will come back. Hopefully. Got over here is potatoes. Whenever you have potatoes in your house and you see them growing, just put them in your garden. You got the beets. My callaloo, I just let them seed up. So I should have plenty of callaloo next year. I'm not even gonna cut it. I'm just gonna let them do their thing, come natural. Again, look. I just picked some today and I'm picking some more. 2 more. Alright. Over here I got some seeds from England. From Rambo Green here. And these seeds right here, these are from China. And these are from Rambo. And these are from Japan. These are the long ones. So I'm gonna plant these in a couple of days. And I'm not gonna put them against the fence so the deers could get to them. These, I know I'm not gonna get nothing. I just put them in here just to let them grow. I haven't watered them or nothing, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. I'm not making this too long. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna keep giving you guys some updates on the garden.